Alan Lee, back at your boy is back with another video. Here we are in Taiwan, of course. We are in this beautiful park with an elephant. So this is going to be the entrance to Elephant Park. You know, back with another video, travel vlog. Alan Lee here to rep Taiwanese brand, not sponsored. Oh, they're gonna arrest me. Should get the cops. All right, moving on. We are off to Elephant Park. Elephant Mountain. Let me get some screen caps of the Instagram picture trying to get. Okay, and then we're gonna hike up this mountain. We're gonna take hella pictures, and then we're gonna hike down the mountain. And that's what we're gonna do today. All right, let's go. I don't think I could do those shots anymore. I'm freaking exhausted. At this moment, I knew I fucked up. It is time-lapse time. We are here at the top, as you can see. Am I touching the tip?
Not quite.
Where am I? Right here?
A little bit.
Higher?
Yeah. Down. Yeah. To the left a little bit more. Yeah. That was good. Okay.
I just touched the tip of Taipei 101, so now we can go back down. All right, guys. We are going back down.
You're not doing it.
Hey, now can you open Snapchat? Holy shit. This is the sweetest one I've ever had. Here. But it's like a good sweet. Okay, so now we find ourselves in another line, and this is for some kind of pastry that we don't even know what it is, but we saw a line, so we're gonna stand in it. So that's what we're doing right now.
Why don't you go?
Do I look like an American tourist?
Yes. 100%.
Why don't you go find like a trash can for all of this while we wait in line?
Hell no.
Why would I not?
It's good?
It's good.
What does it taste like?
The pastry is really crisp and sweet, and the like milk is like condensed milk, so that's also sweet. And they complement each other pretty well.
Well said. Alright, what is up, people? We have arrived to the... If you've ever been to Lake Tahoe, this is the Taiwanese version of the Lake Tahoe. It just doesn't really snow here that much. Man, that's my uncle. Jacqueline, tell them what else you know.
I don't know.
The whole flow of the clip has been ruined.
You have to do less talking and more like showing.
Come on, let's go.
So right now we're trying to recreate a Instagram pic we saw, and look, this is like picture perfect, what we are really looking for, and this is it right here. This is so cool. Dang, Taiwan is beautiful. Beautiful. This lake is dope. Boo, 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 boo. Boo, 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 boo.
Like that. Yeah, just go.
Should I get time
That's
lapse?
really that's the best part right there.
That's a sick ass island in the middle. Alright, Alan Lee survival stories. I've been back here for the last 2.5 hours. Do you see the speaker right here? I've been listening to it for 2 hours. I don't know what it's saying. And look how small the space is. We are prisoners of war with my cousin. We're here for his entertainment. We just want to go home, you know? And he just keeps driving. And I keep listening to this music. And I'm talking to you guys just so I don't go crazy. Yo, this is crazy. This wall of grass.
No, look at the fucking street.
The fuck?
Wall of grass.
Why are you saying that?
Trees.
Yo, this is crazy. A wall of grass.